Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is John, and in this episode we are going to unbox and assemble the MG-36 compass miter gauge from Harvey Woodworking. And when we do that, I'm going to give you my initial thoughts about the tool. And just so everybody's aware, I have a very cheap table saw that I purchased out in Okinawa, Japan. It's about $200, and I'm having some issues with accurate cuts with my fence. And not only that, just the saw in general is just not a very good saw. So to combat that, I purchased this. So let's see how easy it is to assemble. And here in a couple of months, 3 to 6 months, I'm going to post a full review on the down and dirty, on the good, the bad, what could be improved, and everything. The review that I have will be an honest opinion on what I think about this miter gauge. So stay tuned for the unboxing. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow us on our journey. Okay, so the one thing that I will notice is when it was packaged to where there was no movement, nothing could get broke. I just can't say enough about the packaging. It was also in another box and I removed it for this video. But removing everything out, everything looks heavy duty. I'm going to put this thing together and let's see how it is. So this is also interchangeable, this piece right here. So if you need to use it as on the other side, you can do so. And then you just pull this pin right here and tighten it down. And now should be able to slide this on pretty easily. Okay, so essentially what you want to do is unlock the compass. That will give it the freedom of motion, and then you want to just make sure that no matter what angle you are going to be cutting at, that your blade will not touch but anyway, and then go back down to 0 and you are good. And this is super easy. Everything that is on this miter gauge requires no tools except for the one little Allen wrench to get the slide in on your table saw and or the fit in on your miter slot, and this baby's ready to roll. So very, very minimal setup for this miter gauge. hit the subscribe button and follow us on our journey to becoming something. Fuck it. And I've got my table saw up against my workbench here.